Chapter 1 Economics. The story of village Palampur. The purpose of the story is to introduce some basic concepts relating to production. In this chapter, we are going to discuss story of a hypothetical village called Palampur. The story of this village Palampur may resemble any other village in any part of India. And in all parts of India, in villages, as we know, farming is the main activity. So here also, farming is the main activity in Palampur, along with so many other activities such as manufacturing, dairy, transport, etc. These activities need various types of resources such as natural resources, man-made items, human effort, and money. So in this story, we are going to discuss that how various resources are combined to produce the desired goods and services in the village. This imaginary village, Palampur, is well connected with neighboring villages and towns. You can imagine your neighbor or nearby village or a city all are connected. And here, this village, Palampur, is connected with other big areas, villages, and cities such as Raiganj. It is a big village and it is 3 kilometers from Palampur. An all weather road. It means Pakka road connects the village to Raiganj and further to nearest small town of Shahpur. And on the road we can see many kinds of transports are visible such as bullock carts, tongas, bogies, etc., along with motorcycles, jeeps, tractors, and trucks. This hypothetical village has about 450 families belonging to different castes. The 80 upper caste families own the majority of land in the village. Their houses are large. They are made of bricks with cement plastering. The Assis comprise one third of the population and live in one corner of the village in small houses. Houses have electric connections. Electricity powers all the tubers in the fields. Palampur is also having two primary schools and one high school. It is also having a primary health center which is run by the government and also one private dispensary. This description shows that this hypothetical village Palampur has fairly well developed systems of roads, transport, electricity, irrigation, schools, and health center. In Indian villages, farming is the main production activity, same as in village Palampur. The other production activities referred to as non-farm activities include small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, etc. So further we shall discuss all these types of activities and how production is done with means of production. Next topic is organization of production. What is the aim of production? The aim of production is to produce the goods and services that we want. And there are four requirements for production of goods and services. In further topic, we are going to discuss all these four requirements. The first requirement is land and other natural resources such as water, forest, and minerals. The second requirement is labor. That means people who will do the work. Some production activities require skilled labor, educated labor. Other activities require persons who can do manual work. Third requirement is physical capital. That means the variety of inputs required at every stage during production. Capital is of two types, fixed capital and working capital. Tool machines, buildings, turbines, computers, generators, etc. are termed as fixed capital. Money kept for daily use or requirement for raw material and money in hand are called working capital. Raw materials is also working capital. There is a fourth requirement also we need. We need knowledge and enterprise to be able to put together other factors of production such as land, labor, and physical capital to produce an output. These days, this fourth requirement is called human capital. This human capital has knowledge, skills, education, and training to use all other factors of production. All these are known as factors of production. Again, we repeat, we revise. Every production is organized by combining land, labor, physical capital, and human capital. All these are known as factors of production. In the next video, we shall discuss how farming is done in Palampur. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel.